Is it time to buy or sell Target stock? In this video, we will delve into Target. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has identified Target as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.75. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.39%. This equates to an average return of 0.20% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of continued gains within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 12.16% over the next quarter, with anticipated returns ranging between 8.5% and 18.29%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our analysis over 12 months forecasts a projected change of negative 41.25%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might fluctuate between negative 65.09% and negative 43.14% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price estimated to be between $36.78 and $59.91. Our latest daily update for Target includes the headline, Target stock price ended at $105.36 on Tuesday after gaining 0.391%. The Target stock price gained 0.391% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. It rose from $104.95 to $105.36. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.67%, with a low of $104.48 and a high of $107.27. The price has been oscillating during this period, and there has been a 2.86% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 7 million shares changed hands for approximately $725.5 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $167.40, while the lowest price was $87.35. Currently, the price is 37.06%, or $62.04, below the 52-week high and 60.83%, or $163.62, below the all-time high on the 15th of November, 2021, when the price reached $268.98. Analysts are raising concerns as Target approaches its second quarter earnings call on Wednesday morning. Consensus forecasts indicate declining sales and profit estimates, with some predicting the fourth consecutive quarter of negative comparable store sales and ongoing weak store traffic, only partially compensated by gains in the digital space. Broader retail results this week, most notably stronger performance at Walmart, have underscored a performance gap, leaving Target lagging in the discretionary sector. Options activity and analyst insights have already driven implied volatility higher as the report date approaches. Short-term impact: anticipate increased volatility surrounding the call and guidance. A disappointing surprise or cautious outlook could likely trigger a sharp sell-off as traders adjust their near-term earnings and inventory expectations. Conversely, a better-than-expected result or convincing margin recovery might lead to a relief rally. Long-term impact: continued traffic weakness and margin pressure would justify a lower growth multiple and slower appreciation of share prices, unless management can achieve a sustained recovery in comparable sales, more efficient inventory management, or significant digital and cost improvements that restore investor confidence. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Truist Financial assigned TGT a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TGT a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TGT an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler again assigned TGT a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TGT an equal weight grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Target stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Target. The Target stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels $104.74 and $103.92. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, with the stock having fallen by 1.93% so far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Target. Target finds support from accumulated volume at $103.85. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock is typically traded at a solid volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.79, representing a 2.67% change between its high and low. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.5%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Target, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, a next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 20th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.06. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Target. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Target is at $105.45. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Target encounters its first support level at $103.85. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Target from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Matthew A. Legal conducted an insider sale of 2,044 shares of common stock. On the 25th of May, 2025, Pradip Kumar Vemana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 28th of May, 2025, Brian C. Cornell conducted an insider sale of 45,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of April, 2025, Melissa K. Kremer conducted an insider purchase of 3,554 shares of common stock. On the same day, Melissa K. Kremer conducted an insider sale of 1,088 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 16.603. Overall, insiders purchased 423,455 shares and sold 289,207 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $101.23, reflecting a decline of 3.92%. This stock experiences minimal daily fluctuations, which indicates a lower level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 19 days ago. Is target stock a good buy? Several short-term signals along with a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for target stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we anticipate that Target will open higher by approximately 34 cents, starting trading at $105.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.